Diffusion number 4, white. We can see a complete even spread across the room. If we look at the quality of the diffusion, I'm about like 1.5 meters away from the wall. The C reflector is about another 1.5 meters away from me. Shadow's almost gone. And when I move closer, we're going to get still a very distinct shadow. This is very logical because, of course, the reflector is only 25 by 25 centimeters, and we're not having any wraparound effect, which would create this kind of a soft light that we know. But the really nice thing about this reflector is when you want to have diffused light with direction, like when you're having a cloudy overcast day and you want to punch in some light through a window and have this feeling of soft, dull light, but still want to have something nice and directional with it.
So now we see the meter white. I'm slowly moving it in through its Jacob. And now we have full power on Jacob.
Yeah, we've almost got a 2.8 to 0.8, yeah. And you can see the shadows are a little bit smoother than we've seen with the 50 by 50. And we've got a little bit more spread in the room just because of the size. So the wraparound, actually, the diffusion number 4 has the maximum amount of effect just because of the way the surface is in terms of the diffusion. But let's have a quick look in terms of the wraparound by quickly checking the meter by meter against the 25 by 25 to really see the difference in shadows, what happens.
Okay, this is 25 by 25. Pan the meter away. This. I'll show you the 25.
Yeah, so you can see really precisely right in the background how much crispier the shadows is. Yeah, so the small one is just perfect. For example, if you do an ambient light and then you want to add a little bit of punch just on the face or on the table, it's great to take the smaller C reflectors to actually do this. Manuel, maybe let's have a look at this, to add a small reflector to the big one to actually see how we can work on the face.
Okay, to show you this effect, I'm panning in a BBS 47. And in my hands I have a 25 CRLS diffusion white. Okay, now I start to pan it around in the room to find my perfect position, and we want to get a nice wraparound, so I try to imitate the light coming through the window. So I pan it towards the table, and now I'm pan it slowly a little bit up.